how to transfer USDT from Kucoin to Binance. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up your Kucoin, then click on this option of withdraw, and over here select the option that you want to withdraw. We want to withdraw USDT in this case, so we will just simply select USDT. Then for wallet address, simply open up Binance, and on Binance click on deposit. Over here select the option of deposit crypto. Now in the coin, simply select USDT, select the network, select any network with the lowest fees. Binance Smart Chain is usually the lowest. Simply select it. You will get the address. Simply copy this address, and after that paste it in the Kucoin. Just simply check out the network with the lowest fees, and currently it seems the Aptos or the NEAR protocol or the Kucoin chain is offering the lowest fees. So we can check out whether these networks are available for us. The Aptos one is available, so we will simply select the Aptos one and then copy the address again, and this time again we will just simply replace it with the new one and then select the Aptos network over here. Here it is. And after that, just simply type the amount that you want to transfer and click on withdraw, and this way you would be able to withdraw the USDT from your Kucoin to Binance quite easily. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.